Good morning. Welcome to my post-grad diaries. I am still unemployed, so I'm still in the thick of the job hunt, but yeah, I just got ready because I have an in-person interview, which is new for me since every interview that I've had over the summer has been online for the most part. I just got back from Trader Joe's, and this is my grocery place of choice ever since college. They just have the most affordable things and the best things to make easy meals. It's also just always been the most convenient thing for me being in California. I don't know why. They had one at USC really close, and then now where I live, they have like two right here, so it just makes the most sense. But I thought I would show you a little grocery haul. This is everything that I got. I had a specific recipe in mind for what I'm gonna cook tonight. It's like a lemon chicken orzo soup. I haven't been feeling that great, so I feel like that's just gonna make me feel better. But I got chicken broth, necessary. I got a lemon. I got some celery and carrots, which obviously I'll have a lot extra of, and I'll just have it during the week in like as snacks or maybe in other recipes I can find. An onion. I got a zucchini for like a side vegetable to some meals during the week. I got a cucumber because I've been really into making this one kind of salad and I needed it. I got oregano for the soup. I got oats for oatmeal, and then I'm gonna make a banana bread later on this week. I got an apple, and then I also got some ground beef. I was thinking of making like a bolognese later on this week, so I got that for that. And then I got these chocolate like ice cream cones. I tried them over the summer with my friend Riley and they were delicious. Those just for a little sweet treat. I got this spicy jalapeno chicken sausage, which is just like an easy protein to add into different meals. And then I got orzo and sliced almonds for that salad that I was talking about. So I just set up this furniture today, and I have to say I'm really proud of myself. It's definitely not going to stay in this position out here, but it took me over an hour to get all of this set up, and I'm really proud of it. I'm gonna sit out here and read more of my little book. This is how my bed side tables are looking right now. I also ordered this rug. It's a little bit too small. Like I would ideally like it to come out further, but who knows, maybe I'll flip it around and see how it looks there. But on this side table I put my little shell. It's giving coastal. I'm obsessed with it. And then I have my little frames here with letters and photos that people have gifted me, or just photos of friends and things like that. So I'm gonna put them on this wall right by the window. I have another table that's coming in, like a little vanity desk situation that's gonna go there. This all needs to be put away. And then I have my dresser and the TV. Hopefully I'll get the TV mounted so that this stuff that's on top of my dresser can be more centered and it just looks a little less cluttered. And then the mirror. But I think it's coming together pretty decent. I'm gonna go hit the pool now. Hi.
Clean up before you go, so you look good in the morning.
You're so smart. I know, it's our laundry.
It's a washer dryer in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Oh, it's the Wilsey residence.
That's your opening line?
Jack's taking the trash out like a good boy. Oh. butter too if you want it.
Thank you so much. Okay. Great vlog content.
Okay. We're at the Grove and we're trying, what is
Pickle.
it?
Caitlin pickles.
Let's do honey mustard.
Okay. Just one minute. Here, I'll get another toothpick. Okay.
Cheers. I love it.
Okay. That one's like the only one I've tried though.
Wait, which one? Bread and butter?
Bread and butter. Good job. Okay, yeah. Okay.
I'm just gonna use this, I guess.
Yay. Okay. Cheers.
It was like sweet at first.
That's really sweet. It's like an apple.
Yeah, I like it.
Right.
I think I like the honey mustard better.
I like the honey. I like it's more tangy.
Yeah.
Okay. That was good though. That's like a close second. That's
honey
also honey
mustard.
mustard. Oh, this is called spicy garlic. This one's spicy garlic.
Alright.
Apparently, the guy recommended this one, so we're gonna see. Okay.
This is a big boy.
Hopefully I can choose this one. Okay.
The closest to like a regular dill pickle, I feel.
Still like the honey mustard one the best.
Me too.
That wasn't like that special. Okay, so then we have, oh, sweet and spicy. That one's sweet and spicy.
Okay.
Hot and spicy. We have a lot of pickles to go through. Okay, yay.
Whoa.
That was good.
I like it. Oh my god. I was like, oh, they're blast. Is that what she was like, oh, it tastes like Red Hot?
It does.
Candy.
It does. Yeah. Okay, that one and the honey mustard are my favorite. Do you like the garlic?
I like the garlic. I like the bread and butter. That one's good. They're all good.
They're all
I like
really
the bread
good.
and butter and the honey mustard. I think the best. I think.
$3 for all the pickles.
Alright, I just made some lunch. I have to mix it and put a little bit of like olive oil and salt, pepper, lemon juice, like all that stuff. Make a little dressing with balsamic too. But I just kind of threw together things that I had in the fridge. Usually I would add some avocado in here too. But I just had salad mix, cucumber, celery, almonds, feta, and then I was heating up some sweet potato that I had also that I'm going to add to this. This is the outfit that I'm wearing to Rachel's house. A bunch of my college roommates and I are meeting at her house in Calabasas. We're gonna do a little dinner. She's back in town. She's been in DC, so I'm really excited to go see her. But I'm wearing Brandy Melville pants and an Abercrombie little gray basic t-shirt because it's very casual.
That's like all cloudy. Can't even see. That's a good one.
I'm gonna get dizzy watching this. What's up? I thought it would be so fun to try the viral blueberry latte because I've been seeing it on TikTok a lot and I really think I could make it well because I have like frozen blueberries. I would just put the frozen blueberries in a pan and like saute it down so it gets the little syrup. You're supposed to put sugar in it, but I don't have sugar with me, so I'm gonna see if like something else or just do it without it and then maybe add some like honey. or something, but I'll show you guys how it turns out. This is the finished product. Okay, this is what we're gonna attempt to make right now. These blueberries from Trader Joe's. So I only got like this much. I don't even think you can really tell. And it's not fully strained, just because I don't have the right strainer for it, but we're gonna still try it. You can see the little blueberry on top. This is what I have. Usually I would put oat milk in it, but this is the only thing that I have left, so I don't know. All the blueberry kind of went to the bottom, so this might have been a fail. It's not bad, it just doesn't really taste like blueberries, so next time I need to put more. This is the outfit to go get a drink with Sade. It's pretty casual, just accessorized with some bigger hoops. They always look super cute and just elevate the outfit. I have on a Skims bodysuit and then Abercrombie jeans that I just got, and they are really cute. They have a little rip on the side here, which I thought was kind of unique. And then I'm just wearing some black Havaianas with it. I just feel like being comfortable, and those are my favorite summer shoes. Also, I just did my makeup at my new little desk area in front of the window, and I have to say it makes a world of difference being able to have natural light coming into my room like this. In my last apartment, I didn't really have natural light like this. There was a tiny little window and it was closer to my roommate's side of the room, so I never really got ready in front of natural light. But yeah, Sade and I are just gonna go grab a little drink at the Grove. There's this place called Alma that is a cute little Mexican spot. I've never been there before, but we're just gonna go. It's Thursday night, so get a nice little start to the weekend. I was just looking for this. This is my absolute favorite lip gloss. I bring it with me everywhere. It's technically just a lip balm, but I use this as a lip gloss and just every single day of my life.
Good idea.
Making chicken.
I'm just gonna get my hands dirty with this. This ain't worth the
You
tongs.
really better perform well now because I'm recording.
And make sure you really get it in there, massage it, make it feel at home. And then you pull that motherfucker out. I can't curse on the family channel. And you flip that in. It's like the popcorn asbestos ceiling. And the sides too, can't forget the sides.
Yum. You have to keep calm in the kitchen. Thank you, my little sous chef. Little bird.
We need ready. This is authentic. this isn't staged. Oh, look at that. I don't want to hurt my hands. It's pasta. Whoa. Whoa. Smells great, chef.
Good. Better eat it all up.
Oh, we'll eat it all up. Matter of fact, along with that nicely cooked chicken right there. Sponsored by yours truly, the cameraman. Not the things it truly feels the one who knew and did it more. Stir that thing up. I get the bowl. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. I'll tell you when to stop. Actually, that's the cheese. That's when you cheese me up. Give me a nice little flat top, please. Flat top of pasta. One more little scoop. Chicago. Da 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 da. That is. Oh, yep. Let's see that chicken. Let's hope it's not pink in the middle. Look at that be rough. That one's the one with the hole. That's like a T-bone steak right there. Thank you.
Look at that.
Oh, look at that. Oh. Cheesy toes. I didn't say stop. Keep me going. Come on now. Well done.
Looks like we're in Europe.
Yeah.